Hello and welcome to Miller Realty Group's Talk of the Town Carolinas. I'm your host, Patti Mercer, here at Papa Doc's, which used to be T-Bones, and 25 years ago was the Hungry Fisherman. Let's find out what's new about Papa Doc's and why it's the Talk of the Town. Let's go. We are on the deck of Papa Doc's.
Yes, welcome to Papa Doc's Shore Club. We are officially open to the public as of this past Thursday.
Well, we have been keeping up with you and your plans, and it is exciting. I mean, I look around and I see lots of diners here for lunch.
Yes.
What all do you offer?
So we have American cuisine. It's mainly seafood. So you'll see traditional lobster roll as well as crab legs. We have this amazing seafood tower that's beautiful and takes over a lot of the tables here.
Oh, yeah.
Our chef, Troy Grigliardo, has done a great job at putting together this menu, along with a lot of our team that's on board with the Bottle Cap Group. So we're super excited for people to come in and taste this menu. And there's really something for everyone, you know, from a full children's menu to, you know, desserts and milkshakes and a cocktail menu that our creative beverage director put together. There's something that'll definitely capture your attention at each table.
Well, it's such a unique restaurant in the layout. I mean, you've got, obviously, if you want to eat outside, if you want to have a family indoor dining experience, and I even saw a stage.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Well, there'll definitely be entertainment here. We want to keep to, you know, what the old T-Bones had here, and do live music, different events throughout the year. Continue to work with the Lake Wylie Children's Charity. We have dock hands to help you dock your boats as well.
A dock hands.
Yes.
So this is really embracing the lake life,
yes,
if you will. So you drive your boat over to the restaurant. The dock hands will help you.
Correct.
Get out of your boat, make sure your boat doesn't get scratched.
Yes.
And even point it in the right direction for you to go home safely.
Absolutely, yep.
I love
They've
it.
really thought this through, and I'm really proud, you know, to be able to welcome you guys all into Papa Doc's Shore Club, because there's beautiful artwork in each room, you know, and it absolutely embraces that lake life.
So tell us what has changed. Like if some of our viewers, they're familiar with the location, of course, it's been here since it was the Hungry Fisherman, 25 years ago?
Yes.
What's different? What can they expect to see different?
Absolutely. I think the food is definitely something that's very different, as well as all of the bright colors, I would say. There is artwork. I think there's about 12 murals throughout from Artisan Rooms, which are our mural designers, and they hand paint each individual mural. So they've done a spectacular job at bringing this whole place together. And then outside of that, we installed garage doors over in our tiki room, so it kind of expands the room, more of an indoor-outdoor feel. And then, as we said, the dock hands are a great addition. We'll have event space upstairs. But, you know, it's really a way to enjoy your afternoon, a day at the lake, or, you know, a lunch or dinner.
Right, so the Bottle Cap is the
Yes.
company, the parent company.
Correct.
What other restaurants do they own that we may be familiar with?
Okay, sure. So the Bottle Cap Group, we're a restaurant management company. We own several restaurants in the Carolinas, including Charlotte, Greenville, and Charleston, South Carolina. Some of the restaurants that you may be familiar with are Ink and Ivy in Uptown, All American Pub, Broswell's, which has been around in Charlotte for over 10 years, Whiskey Warehouse.
Check.
Snapper Jack's is on Folly Beach in Charleston, which is more similar to this concept, I would say. You know, it just has that lively atmosphere, and they have a rooftop there as well, a block from the beach.
What are your hours? Are you going to offer lunch and dinner, or?
Lunch and dinner right now. Eventually we will add weekend brunch, but our hours are 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Monday through Sunday.
Wow. Okay. So the first crowd, second crowd, and then the late crowd.
Yes.
Well, that's it for this edition of Miller Realty Group's Talk of the Town Carolinas. Hey, if you're thinking of buying or selling your home, remember to call Carmen or go to homesfortmill.com. And while you're there, you can check out past episodes of Talk of the Town Carolinas. Until next time, I'm Patti Mercer. Bye-bye.